the England manager.
So there's a whole bunch of racists who've made the sort of the picture. The funny thing about white supremacists and racists is this. So, OK, so they come from a country where the second syllable is Negro. Right, I mean, you know, they're making monkey chants, so they're literally showing
well, we
that
don't know
they're
actually where
unevolved.
Those particular fans are from, to be fair. But anyway.
Well, I doubt they're England fans, don't you?
Well, I wouldn't have thought so.
No.
But we can't assume.
Look, I know BBC are fair and impartial, but seriously, there gets a point where you don't need to be. So anyway, they're making these chants, standing under Montenegro, going back to my barristerial days, standing up above a Montenegro flag, waving a Montenegro flag with Montenegro scarves, and
yes, all right, okay.
So anyway, and the great thing is, they're also getting beat 5-1. Yet, presumably, they think they're racially superior.
But this is not necessarily just about Montenegro. This is something that happens
to
all over Europe when different teams from different countries, different nationalities play. It's not about Montenegro per se. It's about a culture, isn't it?
Brown players and black players all the time. And it's still not been wiped out in football, despite efforts by, in all fairness, certainly the FA in the UK, the effort. And I tell you what, credit to Raheem Sterling, because I couldn't have behaved like that. I would have gone ballistic if I was good enough to play for England.
I'm sure our viewers.
But anyway, 5-1 says it all.
You on that.
We know who's racially superior.
Really quickly, thank you.